How to add clickable link on Canva PDF. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can add clickable link on Canva PDF. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up a PDF on Canva. After that, you have to select the text where you want to add a link on. So once you select your text, click on it. After that, you will see this menu bar at the top with this various option. There you have to click on this three dot icon. As you can see, there is an option for a link. You have to click on link, and here under the type in section, you have to type in the link. So for now, I will just go with facebook.com, but in your case, the link might be different. So here you have to enter your preferred link. Once you have done that, now all you got to do is simply click on save. And there, as you can see, the link has been added. Now, if you share this PDF to some of your files or this PDF file to some of your friends, if they click on this blog option, they will be redirected towards the facebook.com or any address that you have provided. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.